to this computer. Ako ra i-record ha, kay ako i-upload kay
Oo.
para na tayo basis for getting started. Okay, so uh, for the purpose of posterity, makita niyo ba akong slide?
Wala pa.
Karon, okay na.
Oo, na.
Wait ha. So kuan gilyen okay, hi team. Team mo ni ato ang ato ang presentation is about getting started but focusing on the retailing. Okay? So how to support retail kay okay, the retailing is the foundation of our Usana. So we have to speak in English. We have to speak in English because this is for posterity.
Okay.
So laban. Joke lang. So how Usana is introduced, di na to, skip na tayo na to, how Usana was introduced and which leadership line do you belong to, right? So you're under Coach Jessel.
Then,
Yes. So that's under one leg under my organization, and then this is to remind everyone that more or less you are parang third generation level of leaders. Why? Because the first generation was offline, walang Zoom dati, and then the second generation is purely online, and then the third generation is about hybrid and community building. So finding your niche market on how to tap Bukidnon market, okay? Okay, tama ba? Okay, and then pang ilang months ka na nga Gillian sa Usana? Kasi 'di ba nag-run ka pa ng Pacesetter?
May 30, 28 anak ko. Siguro August.
May
3?
28. May 28,
On
yes.
3.
Okay, but remember we are under a different program right now. So our different
Mm-hmm.
program right now is kailangan nating mag-run ng pace setter. So, ang next natin na gagawin is, sa next meeting, we will tackle your pace setter and then also your director run. Okay, pero anong stage ka ngayon sa USANA? Sa base sa nakita mo na slide now. Sa slide now. Three months na ba? 3 months?
3.
3 months. Pero
3.
going 3 months, June, July, August. So patapos ka na. So dapat maximize mo na yung foundation stage. Number one, familiarity drill. Ilang taon na ba yung na-meet mo sa USANA so far?
Tao nga, hire na ko.
Yes, or mga teammates, ganyan. Tapos, who empowered you so far, ganyan.
Pila na.
Yes, minimum five. Five friends. Hindi lang acquaintance ha. Parang naging friend mo sa USANA. Uy,
Diba? Baga na.
daghan na?
Oh, so, Ma'am Giselle, si Ma'am Queen,
Okay.
si, wala kami nag-meet ni Ma'am Lindsay. Ay.
Wala pa. Pero
Katong,
soon,
oh, katong kaan, ah, nalimot ko sa siya. Kaya name ako. Nalimot ko sa name, sir, ay.
sige lang, okay. And then, dream building. So, ito yung next project pala natin, dream building. So, pasulat din dyan, Gillian, 6 items na gusto mong ma-achieve for December. So, 6 items. So, it could be like in terms of finance, in terms of family, let's say further study. Further study could be like batch 3 sa wellness coaching. And then also, fitness,
Travel,
travel. Gusto mo travel? Fitness,
travel
fine.
local.
For travel local, yes. Okay. So, isulat mo 6 items, no? Kung ano yung, parang meron kang hook sa iyo sana ba? Meron kang hook
Ay,
na
sumapo sa akong
notebook.
pencil. Ay,
Okay, okay.
content.
Okay.
Okay.
Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Friday na bukas.
Gani, sir, ay, abigyan ako sa 3 day karon.
Ana, well, grabe na yun ko sa third
Ay,
day
tagalog
karon.
pa lang ako.
Okay, so ang next is maglista ka ng 6 items, no? So, pwedeng isang finance goal, isang family goal, further study, fitness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 man eh. Faith, and then
F,
personal. Personal.
personal.
Personal.
F, day.
Di, faith. Kana lang basta ika-6 na, siya 6, no? So, kana, okay. And then, etong letter C is 80% of your time pace setter focused. Pace setter focus, 80% of your time. So, looking for brand partners. So, ano ba yung, ano ba yung mindset mo sa, makita mo yung comment na shinare screen ko? Makita mo yung comment?
Yes, sir. Oo.
Okay, can you see the comment like available ito. Nakita mo yung tinype ko na comment?
Oo. Oo.
Okay, so ang brand partner number one is available. So ano yung available like you? Like available on a let's say minimum 3 times a week. So
Mm,
second is good market or gateway market. So what do you mean by gateway market? Yung hindi mahirapang magyusana. Meron ka pwedeng mabentahan or meron ka mga contacts na pwedeng viable for you sana. Let's say, well, sa in your case, meron naman talaga kasi working naman tayo. Pero let's say, nag-recruit ka taga bundok. 'Di ba? Wala masyadong kilala yan. 'Di ba? Okay.
mm,
Number three is, ano ba yung mint? So, merong money, influence, need, and how to say it? Trust. Or
yes.
money, yes. Oo, motivation. Money and motivation. So, merong gustong gawin. And then number four is good learning and listening attitude with action. Ano ba yung good learning and listening attitude with action? Dapat marunong makinig kasi mahirap kasi sa iyo sana teammate natin na parang mahirap kausap or hindi ma-schedule. So parang ang hirap nating maging teamwork ba, team build maging team leader or maging team member.
Mm,
Okay, so yun dapat yung kasi like for example, maganda naman yung market niya pero hindi naman siya available. So paano ka makapag-build ng organization? 'Di ba no? Okay, so rehash to ha. Okay, and then ang focus natin for M1, okay, magkano ulit yung M1 natin? Milestone 1.
50.
Okay, milestone 2 magkano?
Fifty,
$100.
100 daw.
And
150
then
daw.
150. And then ang goal natin is for you to hit director after your pay setter. So okay. So the structure would look like wait ha, insert tayo ng slide. Okay. Insert slide, Sean Camillo. So the structure would look like this. Let me know ha if you can see my annotation. So let's say ikaw to.
Oo.
And then, 'di ba, sang line sila at si Ate Lalang?
Left,
Left, okay. And then si Ate Geishan.
right.
So right, so perfect because you have a trifecta structure. So, okay, ang gagawin natin is actually you are blessed because some people meron lang left pero walang right. Tapos merong iba, meron yang left and right pero hindi gumagalaw. Okay, so
Mm,
your next goal, Gillian, is to look for people here. Isang organization, people dito and isa dito to para parang team kasi 'di ba basketball minimum 5, football minimum 5, cheerleading squad minimum 5. So kulang pa yung ano natin so that you can create uh you can uh you you can create a team. You can create Usana Storm. Usana Storm is the next goal natin. And then you can push for directorship. Ano ba yung directorship? Um, iba kasi yung feeling kung director ka because people will listen to you para magamit mo yung leverage ba? Tama, no? Okay. So, yun. Okay. So, coach, paano ba ma-hit yung director? Okay, wag muna. Sa second slide muna natin yan gawin, but let me bring back let me let me let me ground you to the idea na when you do Usana, di ba meron tayong onboarding process, onboarding. Tama, di ba?
Mm.
So, let me know ha kung check to. Um, one-on-one, one-on-one with Usana. Parang hinuhugot ka ni Sean Camelio. Di ba? Kasi one-on-one. Check ba to? Okay, check. Okay.
Yes.
So, naka-module 1 and hanggang module 6 sa Usana PH trainings online. Naka-watch ka ng mga trainings, mga recorded, demo drill.
Mm. Pero
Okay?
di ako sure kung 1 to 6.
Pero andito ka sa Usana PH training. Hanapin mo lang yung mga trainings ha.
Yes.
Okay. Are we doing check-ins? Let's say, Gillian, kumusta ka na? Ganyan, ganyan. So, what I'm doing, di ba? Check-in yan. Yun
Yes.
yun. Okay. So, yun. Okay. Are you doing the same kay Atila lang tsaka kay Gishan? Like,
Yes.
okay, naka-join ba sila ng
At,
module 1 to 6? Naka one-on-one ba sila? Ikaw sa kanila? Nasa
mm,
Usana PH ba sila? So, check na to.
yes, sa module. Sa PH training. Yung sana PH training.
Yes, okay. So,
Naman na sila.
okay. Second is retail sustainably. Are you able to build 15 to 30 customers?
15 to 30. Then, yes.
Okay, kailangan siyang naka-file kasi 'di ba mauubos yung products after 1 month, after 2 months. So, kailangan nating i-follow up yung mga clients natin kung kumusta. So, coach, ganito ba yung Usana? Yes, pero it will become second nature. So, when you look for brand partners, mangyayari dyan is this will become natural. Para siyang magiging once or twice mo lang gagawin per group. Kasi like for example, what we're doing, one-on-one tayo. Pero kasi the normal scenario is Gillian group. Parang ganun. So, what I will do is, kasi record ko to, I will send the link to Lalang and Geishan para magets din
Oo.
nila kung ano yung gagawin. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you have a blue book, yung DRS?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a prospect list, mga Gen Y, and then Gen X, Gen Z? Gen X yung mga mama, mga 1985 above. Gen Y is 2006 to 1999 2006 to 1980. And then Gen Z is 1995 to 2000, sorry. Gen X is yung mga 40s na ngayon. Gen Y is 1981 hanggang 2000 na hanggang 1995. And then 1995
Mm.
hanggang 2005, yun yung mga Gen Z. So coach, bakit? Kasi those with money are Gen X and Gen Y. Pero the goal of us, magiging leader, Gen Y and Gen Z.
Mm.
Okay? So, do you have Nutri-Search? Meron ka bang Nutri-Search?
Wala.
Okay, so kailangan nating bilhin yung Nutri-Search.
Ano?
Nabibili yung Nutri-Search, 1,600. Yun yung,
Ah,
yun yung parang
ano to na sa kuan,
book, yes, oo. Magagamit sa
mga
offline building.
bookstore.
Yes, oo. So, pero ngayon, hindi na siya available sa National Bookstore. You can buy it sa Usana mismo.
Nakalikod.
Usana mismo.
Okay.
Yes, oo. And then, do you have PPD?
Ano
Phil-
PPD?
Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory, MIMS PPD. So,
Wala.
kailangan mong bumili ng PPD online sa Shopee. Kasi
Ah,
andyan yung isa na makikita mo na walang side effect, walang alcontra. So, pakita ko,
ano ba ka na? Wala pa kita.
nak- ah, ah, naka-record pa yung Zoom, no? Recorded. Okay, okay. Wait lang ha. I-share screen
Ah,
ko. Okay, okay. So, so eto siya, Gillian. Um, Ito yung PDR. PPD, yung para makikita mo yung consays, titinan mo yung consays, meron dyang contraindication, meron yung
mm,
pregnancy risk. Pero kung titingnan mo yung USANA, ah tingnan mo yung USANA, wala siyang, di ba, USANA. So, walang side effect, walang alcontra. So, eto nga book kasi is tinatawag natin PPD. So, like for example, etong Berocca, okay naman siya, pero meron siyang contraindication and drug interaction and pregnancy risk. Drug interaction and pregnancy. So, pero sige sana kasi walang ganyan. Okay, and then ito naman samples ng mga doctor's prescription, no? Doctor's prescription and mga testimonies. Do you have testimonies? Meron ka mga copy nito?
Mm, yes, isandan ko ni Ma'am Jess.
Okay, so sendan kita ng files din. I will send you file. Sulat ko ha, file. Uh, para you can do presentations on your own. Okay. Okay, we go back to this one. Okay. Okay, what is the duplication strategy ulit bago tayo mag-retailing, no? Okay, the duplication strategy is I do, you watch. So, ang mangyayari sana is andito si Atila lang and then I will do for Atila lang and for you. So, para titingin, parang you watch me how I do it. Okay, the next is I do, you do, half tayo. Parang presentation. So,
Mm,
marunong ka na mag-present?
ah,
Ang gagawin natin ngayon, Gillian, para kasi 'di ba, okay ba sa'yo na gagawin kitang leader? Parang ile-level up ka namin sa'yo sana.
mm.
Magvo-volunteer ka lang ng mga presentations kung ano yung available time mo. So, pwede compro, complan, papraktisan mo lang yung mga tao.
Practice ako.
Di ba? Practice ka, sige, pwede. And then, you do, I watch. Ano ba yung you do, I watch? Meaning, meron kang presentation, and then, ang gagawin is, mag-watch lang ako, you doing it. So,
Mm.
andun lang ako sa parang naka-offline lang yung video and audio. Parang ganun. Okay. And then, ang gagawin is, next is, si Atila lang, half kayo sa sana, half sa presentation, half compro, ikaw yung complan, ako titingin lang ako, parang nag-observe lang. Okay? So, parang nag-observe. And then, hanggang sa ang associate niya Atila lang, gagawin niya, tapos ikaw, you'll just watch what they're doing, kumaga.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so ganun. So, gets natin yung power of duplication?
Yes.
Okay. So coach, importante ba talaga siya? Nakita mo ba yung benefit niya?
Sa
Nakita mo ba?
duplication,
Yeah, oo. Nakita mo yung benefit?
ito kaayo.
Okay, the duplication kasi is para duplication is parang ano, parang mag-raise ng teenager na marunong siya magluto, marunong siyang maglaba so that he can raise his or her own family. Parang ganun. Okay. Okay. So in order for you to become a leader, number one, kailangan mong ma-check to. Okay, question. First question. Solid personal use of the product. Check ba?
Check.
So,
Check.
develop a strong consumer base, 15 to 30 customers.
Yes. Check.
So, 15 to 30, okay, si Atila lang ba? This is for you. Pero ang next would be si Atila lang as litigation, marunong ba silang magbenta ng products? Meron ba silang 15 to 30 customers?
Di pa ko sure. Katilalang bas mo wala pa na 15.
15, okay. Tapos, meron ka bang
Si G.
meron ka bang four basic skill set? What are the four basic skill set? Ang four
Ito
basic
na.
skill set natin is ito, so which is kailangan kong ituro to sa'yo. Production, marunong ka bang mag-present, compro, complan? So,
Di pa.
ang gagawin natin nito, Gillian, is mag-volunteer ka sa presentations ni Giselle or sa mga crossline para ma-practice
Mm,
ka. Kasi pag gagaling ka kasi, ang mangyari dyan, parang tataas yung skill level mo, then kumpiyansa mo na kaya mo gawin. Okay, and then getting started and NDO. Getting started is marunong ka bang mag-training like what I'm doing right now? So which is this is going to be siguro next month. And then goal setting, ang goal setting is 8-point goal set. Ang mayari dyan is marunong ka bang maganito like ilang points ba yung 8-point goal set would be like this. Let's say mag-run ka ng director. So let's say mag-run ka ng director, sample lang. Sa paper para isusulat mo, magkano ba yung beginning balance? So ilan ba yung points mo sa left? 170.
Ah,
Tapos ilan yung points sa right? Zero.
wala, zero.
Okay, sino ba yung mag-subscribe and save, mag-auto order, mag-upgrade? So, meron ka lagay dito diyan. Sino ba yung mag-subscribe and save? So, check. Auto order, subscribe and save meaning hindi upgrade, yung normal lang na 100 na repeat order.
Mm.
Sino ba yung mga PC mo dyan na ilalagay? Okay. Sino ba yung napresentan mo last week na pwedeng mag-sign up ngayon? Pwede mo itong screenshot ha. And then, sino ba yung mag-run ng believer or sharer dyan? Magkano bang points na ipapasok? And then, ang pay setter, sino ba yung magra-run ng pay setter? Magkano ba yung i-push niya points this week? And then also, personal production, sino ba yung isa-sign up mo this week kasi napresentan mo this week or last week or this week, di ba? So, para ito total mo, malalaman mo kung let's say 1,000, tapos dito 800, doon mo malalaman kung magkano yung points na papasok in total for the week. Alam mo na kung magkano yung income mo. Ginagawa to siya every Saturday, Friday. So,
Mm.
so Friday, so for example, bukas, pwede natin gawin to bukas. Parang part 2 tayo. Practice natin. Every Friday. So, ganyan. So, hanggang sa, let's say, ang goal setting, kayo na ni Miss Lalang Anigation, and then, para magre-reporting lang kayo, Coach, ito yung goal natin for this week, ito yung goal ko for this week. So, ang plotting normally mangyayari for next week. So,
Mm.
let's say, ang goal set mo is $100 for next week. So, alam mo na kung ano yung galaw mo for next week kasi alam mo na kung saan kukunin yung points. So, tama ba? Para na-gets ba?
Mm.
Okay, so na-gets ba tong beginning balance? Gets mo naman to.
Oo.
3BC upgrade, gets naman to.
Yes.
Subscribe and save, gets naman.
Mm.
Retail, sino mag PC, extra orders. Follow up, like, napresentan 1 month, sino mag-join. Rank advancement, let's say, kulang na lang siya ng 50 points para mag-sharer, believer. Paysetter runner, magkano yung kulang niya lang para mag-hit ng paysetter. And then,
Mm.
sino yung napresentan mo for this week na magsa-sign up. So, ito total mo yung lahat ng mga points. Okay ba?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, okay so far. So, we will tackle this tomorrow kasi 'di ba meron tayong part 2. Ang part 2 natin is directorship and then goal setting and then also uh, demo drill kasi magde-demo drill tayo. Na-enjoy ko naman, Gillian, ha? Kapoy,
Yes.
kapoy Tagalog, uy. Kapoy kik Tagalog, pero kailangan natin gawin to kasi i-record natin, isa-send natin baka kasi Tagalog yung downline na makuha natin.
Nabisaya na ba ako? Okay na siguro.
Ha?
Nabisaya na ako answer.
Okay na eh. Dahil problema na nila. Okay, so for belief batteries, okay. So Gillian, when you talk to associate, magfa-fam drill ka, let's say, merong pakausap sa si Engineer Reason. Sample lang ha. Kasi yung sana kasi nabubuhay tayo sa teamwork. So parang let's say for example ako, I'm helping you grow, pero part of your OJT is parang meron kang immersion sa ibang associates na meron silang partners na meron silang mga prospect na need ka usapin.
Mm.
Okay, so when you talk to them, you always tackle only 4 areas. Okay, number 1, bakit need mag-business? So parang magkukwento ka lang kung bakit need mag-business. So, okay. Second is, bakit mag-multi-level marketing? Why Usana? Why network marketing, direct selling? And then, number 3, why Usana? And then number four, sa team natin, bakit siya mag-join sa team natin? And sa sub-team mo, bakit siya mag-join? So, okay, so give me one example ha. Okay, bakit ka mag-business, Gillian? Why are you pursuing business?
Additional income.
Number one, additional income. Pwede ding security, pwede ding profits are better than wages, you can free up your time, pwede ding sustainable income, pwedeng passive. Okay, bakit direct selling?
Wala
Bakit like like now, like bakit direct selling?
no hassle.
Okay, ano pa?
Mm, direct selling. Ito,
Pwedeng ano, online lang tapos low capital. You don't have to pay warehousing, online lang, Zoom lang. So, pero coach, yun lang yung isasabihin ko. Over time
mm,
kasi when you talk to people, when you hear stories, you will learn more about Usana
mm,
and why MLM is a powerful business and bakit yun yung system ni Usana. Because you can tap 26 countries kahit nasa Philippines ka. So, it's so unlike insurance and it's so unlike real estate wherein regulated siya. Meaning you can only do it in the Philippines, parang ganun.
mm.
And then you will need strong
One area.
capital expenditure, and so on and so forth. So, gets ba? So, gets naman, no?
Yes.
Okay, and then, bakit di sana? So, heavy to na discussion, why you sana? Pero, wag mo na ngayon. So, pero you could say like the products are number one, number two, dollars ang compensation, pwede ding number three, okay yung manufacturing system. So, anything na nagustuhan mo sa sana.
Mm,
Okay, bakit next gen? So, pwedeng community that we are building. It's a social entrepreneurship. Pwede ding we are helping people, one another. We're not just focused on selling products, but growing people. Okay? And then ang sub niyan is why you? Bakit ka magjo-join sa Usana under Gillian's team? So, who is Gillian? So, pwede mong sabihin na you join my team kasi nga we are building Team Bukidnon. So, you already have four kayo na people under you, under ni Coach Giselle, ikaw, Gillian, Ate Lalang, and Geishan. And then we also have one from Coach Lindsay na nagbi-build isa. So, five kayo lahat. So, you are creating a team. You're going to be leaders in Bukidnon. Parang ganun. So parang ang goal mo is bakit siya magjo-join is injectan mo siya ng vision na sana siya because malaki yung potential sa business versus work and then versus traditional business na you don't need to have huge capital. Kasi 'di ba kung magtindahan ka sa sari-sari store, meron kang capital, ikaw yung
mm.
magbabantay. Mag-franchise ka naman, meron ka bang 10 million or 5 million for a franchise? And then also, bakit Usana? You can access 26 countries. And then, bakit next gen? Is because we are a team of professionals doing social entrepreneurship. And then also, we are helping the community to become the sandbox of leaders na kayang ma-change yung face ng nation natin. Parang ganun. So, gets ba so far?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, okay naman? Okay naman so far?
Yes.
Okay. So, kasi ikaw yung binibuild up ko na first, parang second generation leader Gillian. So, si Ate Lalang mo and then also si Geisha, i-build up
Mm,
natin as third generation leader. So, parang mahaba-habang process to. Pero ikaw yung mag-benefit kasi left and right mo yun. 'Di ba?
so,
Okay. So, we go back to the wag muna tayo sa level 2 leadership ha.
mm,
Kasi ito naman marami siya. Pero okay, ito naman yung
mm,
duplication phase natin. Discuss ko lang to. Before ka before you can teach something, you should have a good learning and listening attitude. Parang like you, meron kang good learning and listening attitude. Teach, teachable, parang for example, nakikinig ka kay Sean Camelio. Sino ba si Sean Camelio? Hindi naman tayo nagkita in person. Sino ba si Jessel Paredo? Once lang kayo nagkita. So, yun. But we have trust na parang we can do things together. Parang ganun. No? Okay. Now, the foundation of teaching is GLLA, meaning you will be teachable, or and then you are able to teach other people because meron kang natutunan. Then duplication starts. 'Di ba? Naalala mo yung duplication natin, yung I do, you watch, you do, I do. Okay, yan. Okay, bago ka mag-multiply. Kasi 'di ba, what I'm doing with you is duplication. Pero bago natin, what I'm doing with you is duplication. But what you're going to do with Tilalang and Gishan is duplication. But from my point of view, it's already multiplication.
Mm-mm.
Okay, and then, in order for us na makakreate ng big organization, bago tayo makakreate ng big income, bago tayo natin makuha yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. So, ano ba yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay? Makabili ka ng ektarya-ektaryang lupa. Babili mo yung half ng
Yes.
Bukidnon, ganyan. Makapag-travel, 'di ba? So,
Mm.
libre naman mangarap,
Yes.
'di ba? Okay. So, we go back, and then ito yung main stuff natin, no? Which is retailing. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Hala, sana
Yes.
yung retailing ko na file. Hala, nawala yung file ko sa retailing.
Hello.
Nawala, wait lang ha. Ito. Customer care program. Okay, so we start. Okay na, ready?
Okay.
Okay. So, the two things na i-share ko sa iyo is the customer care program is like, for example, when people join, they buy the package and then they do retailing or they do building. But
Mm-mm.
when they just become a preferred consultant, customer, or they buy the products from you, meron ka tinatawag na customer care program. So, you will have like chat group, meron kang gagawing chat group, or depending on you, or meron kang FB page na magsusupport sa kanila, and then i-add mo lang sila doon. So, parang chat group siguro like Gillian's Consumers.
Mm.
So, doon ka
Mm.
magpo-post ng mga stuff. Okay. Pag iinom siya ng product, kukumustahin mo ng first day. And then, kukumustahin mo ng fourth day, kumusta na yung healing reaction? Ano yung basis mo nito? Your basis would be the Blue Book. Kasi 'di ba, pwede mo siyang kumustahin, ay, kumusta paggamit ng product? And then, um, i-ask mo kung nag-healing reaction ba siya or what.
Mm-mm.
Okay, bakit? Kasi nga, 'di ba sa Blue Book, meron tayong tinatawag na healing reaction, positive
Mm-mm.
healing reaction. So pwede kasing ang ma-feel niya is let's say para nag-bloat yung tiyan, or pwede siyang nagka-pimples and so on and so forth, no? So kailangan mong saluhin, kailangan mo
Mm-mm.
siyang kailangan mong saluhin yung person kasi nga baka ma-negative. ah
Baka di na
Perfect.
gumamit.
Oo, kasi meron akong one time na ask ko, kumusta yung paggamit ng product? Ay, tinap ko yung paggamit ng product. Hala, what if hindi ko inask? So, hindi niya
Mm.
mapakontinue, hindi ko ma-explain. So, kailangan mong sendan ng Blue Book.
Mm.
Oo, kasi
Okay.
di ba, explain mo doon yung Blue Book, na kumusta yung paggamit ng product, ganyan. Di ba, meron kang copy ng Blue Book, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. So, a good referral, a satisfied customer will tell five.
Mm.
A dissatisfied customer will tell 25. Ganon ka-negative yung tao. So
Yes.
para ipapagkalat ka. Ay, wag ka nang bumili kay Gillian kasi hindi ka gagaling sa product niya. Baka may mga orasyon yung ginawa ni Gillian ganyan. Okay, so and then you have to divide the products into let's say minimum dose. uh Minimum dose is good for, makita ba yung comment, no?
Yes.
Minimum dose good for 28 days. So let's say, ilan ba yung essentials? 112,
And of
56 days pala. So, divided by 56 equals 2 pairs.
two pairs.
Magnecal, 112 tabs
So,
divided by 56. So,
two,
2 pairs.
mm,
2 tabs. Biomega, 56 divided by
six,
56. 1,
one,
1 tab. Coquinone, 56 divided by 56. 1.
mm,
Policy. Policy special kasi 120.
120.
So, divided by 30 or divided by
Ah,
28, kasi para antibiotic effect siya and para collagenous effect, dapat kasi mga 2,000 to 10,000 mg.
mm,
So, ang vitamin C. So, para gaganda yung
sige.
balat. Okay. So, probiotic, ilan yung ano ng probiotic? 14 packets.
Bili. Open
So,
package.
once
Mm,
once every other day. Okay. So, ganyan. Okay. Paano yung optimum dose? Optimal dose. Optimal dose is divisible
right.
by 28 lahat.
It,
So ganun. So when you plan, so when you plan for USANA, some customers will reorder on the 8th week. Some will reorder on the 4th week. Some will order combination. Some will refer. So, yun yung parang ano na, parang waterfall method mo
mm,
na parang let's like for example, sa mga coaches nyo, si Coach Giselle, Coach Lindsay, Coach Queen, Coach Rez, and Coach Sig, and the whole of Next Gen, we have a program wherein we take care of our customers so that hindi mo na siya magiging concern. Kasi 'di ba like for example, magkano ba yung product ng Usana? A pair is 4,428 minus auto order of 3,321, ang income mo dyan is 1,100. Let's say, makabenta ka lang ng 2 pairs a week. That's times 8. Meron kang income na more or less mga around 8,000 pesos. So, tama ba?
yes. It,
8,000. Oo. So, what can 8,000 do to you?
okay. Marami.
'Di ba? So, pag ano mo, pag ano mo siya, i-analyze mo siya. So, it lang ha. So, parang ang mangyari dyan is parang may rollover ka ng products. Okay, coach, what do you mean by rollover? Kasi, di ba take note, hindi naman lahat ng mga USANA negosyante. In fact, most of us are empleyado. Meaning to say, parang
Yes.
empleyado lang na nag-business. Hindi yung entrepreneur pa yung mindset. So, dito sila na bottleneck kasi nga, 'di ba? When you enroll, you have 6 pairs.
Mm,
So, 6. And then, wait lang, i-total natin. So, okay. So, meron kang 6 pairs. Meron kang presentation, not join. So, nag-order ng 1. Magkano na yung total mo? 5.
five.
Okay. Meron kang referral, -1. 4 na lang. Tapos, meron kang presentation, ah, customer lang, let's say, -1. Meron kang 3 na lang.
Mm,
Okay. Now, meron kang subscribe and save plus upgrade. So, +6. So, pwede ka masabi mo na matatambakan ka ng product kasi 9 na siya lahat.
mm,
What if hindi ka nagbenta? So, magiging 12
mm,
siya. Pero,
yes.
nagbenta ka ng product, madami kang pernisantan, 6. Okay, subscribe and save. And then, present ka ulit. Kasi ba magpe-present tayo, -1. Tapos, -1 ulit.
Mm,
'Di ba ito, magre-reorder na to dito. So, meron
mm,
kang -1. So, 6 na ulit. Coach, ang dami ko pang product. Uy, good news kasi pag marami kang product, marami kang pwedeng ibenta. 'Di ba? Okay, going back, eto na naman, magre-reorder na naman to dito. And then eto naman, magre-reorder naman to dito. So, hindi mo na i-explain. Ang gagawin mo na lang is, parang, i-ano mo na lang product,
Renta.
ano na lang, i-deliver mo na lang. So, minus one, minus one. So, take note, dito, naging 4. And then, ang mangyari sa'yo is, meron ka na namang subscribe and save, pero wala nang upgrade. So, minus,
Subscription lang.
minus 3 na lang. So, minus 3, plus 3 pala. So, 3, 4, 7 ulit products mo. Tapos, coach, natambakan ka lang ng ulit ng product hanggang sa makadevelop ka until you develop 15 to 30 customers max. Why? Kasi in excess, convert to PC or drop down volume. So, what I mean by, di ba yung in order for your business center to be active, di ba 100 points? Pero in order for your business
Mm-mm.
center na active yung lahat ng business center, 1, 2, and 3, so ang auto or ang repeat order mo or a subscribe and save is 200 points. Gets na naman, no? Okay,
Mm-mm.
now, if ang mangyayari dyan, 200 points yung subscribe and save mo, let's say subscribe and save, let's say 6. Pero ang
Six.
reorder mo, let's say customer minus 6. So, mangyari dito is paubos na yung product mo. Tapos, meron ka namang customer new, 3. Wala ka ng product. And then
Mm.
magre-refer pa na magre-refer na magre-refer hanggang sa ang bibilhin is tag 2 pairs, tag 100 points, 100 points. So but the key here is you have to develop your strong customer base so that ang mangyari dyan is, for example, si Atila lang, you will teach the same thing.
Mm-mm.
So when you teach ikaw to and then si Atila lang and then si Gishan, you teach the same thing. Pag meron silang subscribe and save na 200 every month and then 200 every month, meron ka ng guaranteed na $40 base commission, meron ka ng $20, $40 sales bonus, and meron ka pang, let's say, you can sell your own products 5 times 1,000 PHP. Ang guaranteed income mo is 10,000 PHP. So tama ba? 40 plus 40 plus mga more or less mga 9,000. Hindi pa kasama, Gillian, kung tuturuan pa natin mag 10,000 si Ate Lalang and si
Mag-expand.
oo, ang gagawin natin is let's say di, hanap sila ng tao din sa kanila na meron din mag sa 15 to 20 customers. Ito naman 15 to 20 customers. So, ang mangyari diyan is ang base mo na income instead of let's say ito yung week 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang income mo dito is 40, meron kang $200 at tigage at ilalang and tigage. Nagets ba? Nagets ba so far? Oo. Okay. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Mag-reorder na naman to dito ng 200 and 200. Pero let's say merong 200, 200, merong 200, 200, merong 200, 200. Kasi mga enrollment, by the time nga magre-reorder na, meron ka ng
Four.
400, 400. Tapos, meron ka pang enrollment equals 200 plus. So, 600, 600 na. So, this is the power of, this is the power of, dito na yung magiging, ano mo, parang subscribe and save or mga steadfast builder. So, ganyan. So, 600, 600, this is $120. Hindi pa kasama yung sales bonus, hindi pa kasama yung
Personal.
personal, hindi pa kasama yung ano. So kung iisipin mo talaga, ay, nas, na-stop ang, okay, na-stop ang sharing mo.
Mm-mm.
Wait, wait. So in order for us to duplicate, they must know how to move the product, tama ba?
Yes.
And they also must know how to share the products and to retail to build a successful retail organization. So parang ito yung onboarding process 'di ba natin? So parang alam nila kung saan ang training, alam nila kung paano mag-create ng 15 to 30 customers and then get brand partners. So this is what you are
Mm-mm.
doing. So meron kang retailer and dropshippers, itila lang ang litigation. They are your brand partners. So ang mangyayari is uh, if you teach both of them to create their own brand partners, magta times 3 yung volume mo.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
na-guess mo siya?
Mm-mm.
So, ang eto, this is how you start. Kulang ka pa ng dalawa. Okay, hanap ka ng dalawa more. Okay. Now, eto yung milestone bonus, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga ganyan. And
Mm-mm.
then, meron tayong ganito, kung dadami na sila. Kasi 'di ba, ito si Ate Lalang, ito naman si Ate Geishan. Pag makakuha sila ng dalawa, income ka. Tapos, yung ito naman yung third and fourth brand partners mo. Pag makakuha naman sila ng mga tao sa organization, kukuha sila ng mga tao, ang tao, marunong sila mag-retail, marunong mag-present, meron silang presentation file, may PPD, may PDR, yung lahat ng tinuro ko sa'yo. So, pwede
Mm-mm.
kang kumita ng mga 480 commission points and 250 bonuses. Pwede kang kumita ng 30 to 40,000 on your second month from now. Ano ba? Marang nagets ba siya?
Yes.
So, ano ba siya? Understandable ba? Doable? Or parang feeling mo, para hindi siya masyadong doable? What do you think?
Di masyado.
Di masyado. Okay.
Mahirap.
Mahirap. Okay. How can we make it happen for you para mabilis siya?
Mm, okay lang, naintindihan ko naman yung ano, yung, ah, yung tree valley.
Yes, okay.
So, yung mahirap humanap ng brand partners.
Okay, so ang gagawin natin is okay, saan ka nasisiyahan at saan ka parang madaling gawin? Namamadali ang gawin
Sa,
sa'yo sana so far. Sa retailing, sa dropshipping, sa
sorry, sisiyahan,
ah
sisi- retailing and dropshipping.
okay, so focus on there and then when you look for people, ang gagawin mo lang, i-share mo lang kung saan ka nasisiyahan. Tapos tutulungan lang natin kung paano makakreate ka ng fourth and third brand partner. Okay?
Okay, sige.
Okay, okay. Tapos, coach, sino yung magti-training? Ako muna mag-training, tapos makikinig ka lang. I-record
Sige.
natin hanggang sa marunong ka na mag-training. Okay? Okay ba so far?
Okay.
Okay, so wag mo muna tong isipin yung 1,000 kasi nga, para tayong grade 1 ka, tapos pinaintindi ko sa'yo na pwede ka mag-X plus Y sa college. Pero,
Yeah.
pwede mo ng grade 2 muna, coach? Yes, pwede. Okay? So,
Okay.
ano ba yung the passive income goal? If you have 200 brand partners, week 1, week 2, week 3, every week magre-reorder, you will have a solid income of 3.5 million theoretically. Ano ba siya? Parang sa tingin mo kaya or parang kaya mo cut?
Kaya mukat.
Okay,
Kaya
bakit?
mukat pa karon.
Yes, karon ngayon yan kasi the duplication, parang mabilis kasi yung duplication. Pero mabagal din siya. Coach, ano yung mabilis at mabagal? Okay. Mabilis siyang mangyari, pero mabagal siyang gawin. Ha? What do
Mm,
you mean, what do you mean, coach? Okay, ganito ha. Sa next meeting natin, 'di ba, parang i-explain mo kay Atila lang ang Gaysian the way I explain it to you. Kasi recorded
mm,
to, isend ko
mm.
sa yung recording, and then ang gagawin ko, while mag-explain ka ni Atila lang ang Ate Gaysian, I do, you do tayo. Parang ikaw yung mag-explain, half tayo. Half tayo. So kung half tayo, tapos coach may mali, mag-PPM ako sa'yo
Mm.
sa Zoom.
Ah,
Gillian,
Okay.
eto mali yan, eto yung gagawin natin, eto yung strategy. So, i-PM ko lang sa'yo para ikaw yung ano. Tapos,
Okay, okay.
i-record din natin ulit para meron kang reference. Get,
Okay.
tama naman. Okay na ba? Okay ba? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi, imimix ko kayo ni Tita Lita. Ano? Kasi, para sabay ba? So, marami
Ah,
tayong, okay. Hanggang sa ma-build natin yung organization, hanggang sa makadevelop ka ng, Sir Sig, ilan ulit yung, ah, pila ito yung $1,500 in 3 months, no? Katong to, katong program. So, eto,
plus, I,
52,000 plus 30,000 bonus in 3 months. So, you can earn as much as, baka marinig tayo dito, baka ma-hold up tayo, nasa public place ako. 52,000 plus 30,000,
uh,
75,000 Gillian ang kikitain mo. ADHD ka, ADHD kayo. 52,000 and 30,000 in 3 months. So, okay ba ang 80,000? Okay ba or juicy
mm,
pa?
okay na kayo,
Okay, coach. Unsa gyud ko ang
sir.
ano ba yung gagawin coach ulit sa So nagets mo yung retailing na part, customer care
Mm,
program. Okay. Coach, ano yung
yes.
meron ka pang hindi tinuro sa akin? Okay, ano yung hindi tinuro ni San Camilio? Ang gagawin natin is meron tayong tinatawag na tiered approach. Okay, what do you mean by tiered approach? Ito 'yon. So, meron tayong okay, wait lang ha. Meron tayong tinatawag na basic lang to. Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag na tier 1. Ay, wait. I-share ko na lang yung stop share. Share. Okay, ito yun. Tiered approach. So, the tiered approach is tier 1. Tapos, tier 2. Tapos, tier 3. Okay, ano ba yung tier 1, tier 2, tier 3? Okay. Pag meron kang tinatawag nating Ay, wait. Balik na rin natin. Tier 1 dito, Tier 2, and then Tier 3. Ito, pag meron kang cellular inflammation, meron kang, ah, ano ba yun? Cellular deficiency. Cellular inflammation, chronic inflam inflammation and disease. Wala, chronic inflammation pala to. Cellular inflammation. O yan, okay. Coach, ano yung ibig sabihin ng cellular deficiency, cellular inflammation, chronic inflammation, and disease? Okay, ito yun. Okay, are you ready? Born ready?
Born ready. Sigaw bukid nun.
Okay, give me a ailment. Okay, for example, na-stress lang coach. Ano yung basic na supplement? The basic supplement,
Iron.
Cellsentials
Diba?
plus Biomega
Stress
plus
lang.
probiotic. This is the tier 1.
Mm.
Okay, coach, what do you mean by bakit cell essentials overall? Walang iron coach, wala kasi the goal of the body is to heal it. The goal of Usana is to the body for it to heal itself. Wait lang ha. Okay, so ang buhaton na to, ang gagawin natin Gillian is let's say, ano ba yung cellular deficiency? Let's say nagkasakit lang linagnat,
Mm.
nagka-sinusitis acute. So, kalimutan ko parang chronic ata to, inflammation. Nagka Ano ba yung mga walang pangalan na sakit? Parang yung let's say nagkatrangkaso lang.
As flu.
So, ang bibigay mo tier 1.
Mm.
Okay, coach, anong gagawin pag pag nagka-chronic inflammation, meaning chronic sinusitis, meron na siyang meron ng parang malaki yung tiyan, chronic inflammation. Nagkaka-pimples, chronic inflammation. Kasi diba inflammation yun, chronic cellular inflammation. CCD. So, ano, anything na wala pang pangalan pero may sakit, inflammation siya. So, malaki tiyan, inflammation, um, gas problem, inflammation. Ano pa ba? Paano ba ito i-explain ng ano ng doktor? Let's say sinusitis, that's chronic sinusitis, that's chronic cellular inflammation. Ang gagawin mo, tier 1 plus proglucamine. Okay, tapos ang chronic inflammation and disease, chronic deficiency and disease, CDD, CICD, baliktad pala to, sorry, cellular inflammation, CICD, chronic deficiency. Baliktad to ha. And then, chronic deficiency and disease, CICD and CDD. So, ang tier 3 is tier 2 plus colored supplement. So,
Colored.
let's say, Coach, unsay pinaka-basic? Cell Sanchez Biomega Probiotic. Okay, Coach, nagkalagnat siya, nagka-sinusitis. Okay, Cell Sanchez Biomega Probiotic plus Proglucamine. Kasi ang ito is for immune system.
Mm. Colored naman.
Okay, Coach, anong gagawin? Meron siyang fatty liver. So, Essentials Biomega Probiotic, Proglucamine, plus colored supplement. Ano ba yung supplement na needed how do you say it? For liver?
Liver.
Is
Hepatic.
Hepasil and then anything green.
Mm.
Oh, and ano pa yung related na system na related sa katawan niya? So, let's say, Coach, ano yung needed for heart problem? Kasi di ba, chronic deficiency and disease na siya. Meron na siyang problem sa heart. So Essentials Biomega Probiotic Proglucamine plus anything red. So Proflavanol C and Coquinone.
Okay naman.
Okay,
Mm.
ano yung needed for prostate cancer or prostate mga ganyan? So Essentials Biomega Probiotic Proglucamine plus Palmetto. Pero 'di ba
Mm.
detox yung need din niya. So plus Hepasil. Let's say meron siyang problem sa diabetes din siya. So mag-add ka ng Magnecal, Hepasil and then also how do you say it? Proflavanol or ancoquinone. Coach, ang dami naman. Yes, so, pero nagets mo to siya.
Mm, yes.
Nagets mo siya. Okay. What's the
Mm.
simplest way to refer? The Blue Book. Pero kasi outdated ang Blue Book. I-add mo lang yung
Mm.
probiotic and proglucamine. So sa Blue Book, parang meron kang Blue Book, i-add mo lang yung probiotic and proglucamine. Okay? Okay, coach, ano yung techniques pa para sa mga pagkain? Ang gagawin sa food
Mm.
is sa barista diet, no canned goods, no whites, no
Right.
rice,
Yes.
sugar, no bread, and then no MSG, no tilapia and bangus, no fish. Ano commercial chicken? No seed oil. Okay lang coconut oil, plito. So, sabay sa diet, walang baboy, so no pork, no seafood. And then, ang fish has gills and scales.
We should have. Ang
Yes.
bangus.
Bangus, okay. Good question. Tilapia and bangus, meron, farmed kasi siya. Farmed ba?
Ah,
Avoid mo,
okay.
oo, avoid muna. Okay. Ang gagawin sa rice, red rice only or black, organic.
Black.
Oo, coach, minimum ng product consumption, 3 months. 3 months to 6 months. Okay, question. Coach, kulang ang budget. Anong gagawin? Tier
Yeah.
1. Ano mo siya, parang ina-narrow down. Coach, kulang ng budget. Tier 2. Kulang pa yun ng budget. Tier 1. Kulang pa yun yung budget sa Sanchez Biomega. Pero mag-add lang siya og suka lubi and then lacto puffy.
Lacto.
Puffy, oo. No, ano ba?
Mm.
Sea salt only.
Mm.
No soy sauce. Okay ba? Gets ba so far?
Yes. Suspension.
O, screenshot mo lang ha. So parang ano, parang magva-value add ka lang. Oo. No, no umaanghang, no ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Sige, be, ano natin, practice natin. Gillian, na siya'y lung problem. Lungs, na siya'y osteoporosis.
Tier. Ito na. Ito na.
Tier 3, okay, enumerate the product.
Sa essentials plus biomega plus probiotic plus proglucamine plus ano ito? Osteoporosis,
Magnical.
magnical dili.
Okay.
Oo, tama.
Sakto. Pila ka pairs ang essentials?
112.
Pila man akong tikon, kay optimal dose man ko, 3 months.
4
Okay,
tabs a day.
magnical, pila?
Ah, 2. 2
4.
ba?
4.
Pila sunod dili sa magnical?
Ang,
Ay, oh,
dili,
100.
4.
112.
Um, but, unsa pang imna niya?
Biomega.
Pila ka pairs? Pila ka tabs? Pila ka gel capsules?
2.
2x. Okay, probiotic.
Unsa? Pila na probiotic?
Every other
1
day.
lang?
One
Wala.
every other day.
Every other.
Unya, ang iyahang proglucamine pila?
56 gyapon na.
56. 2x.
Oh,
Okay, nya pila ka months niya
mag
imnon?
1.
3 months to 6 months.
Ah, pila ka months ni.
Yes.
Okay. Ako pila ka
Gilin,
man ra.
kadaghan ba din akong
Yes.
imnon ani?
Mm.
So, pwede nimo siya i-minimal dose, tangtangon nimo ang katong magnical or proglucamine
Okay.
or i-minimal dose nimo. Nya, nakoy
O pwede
nakoy
na tong tao ng probiotic.
pwede na probiotic tangtangon, imo siyang ilisdan og lactopuffy or kuan kanang mag-vinegar lang siya pero masindot ko mag-probiotic siya biski 1 month lang.
Okay.
Kay mo pa
Probiotic.
colon forming magud ang probiotic.
Mm.
Okay, so kana. So, unsa may akong bawal nga diet?
Sa bawal?
So, may ka nga bawal kag pork, no seafood. Adapt as sa barista diet. No
Yeah.
canned goods, no instant,
Mm.
no
No
whites,
processed food,
no processed foods. So, no processed day, no processed.
no
So,
white, no rice, no sugar.
3 months, mag-workout siya,
Mm.
so on so forth. So, magpainit. So, daghan pa ni siya steps na tong buhaton. Kana lang sa
Mm-mm.
okay.
Okay.
Now, when you teach atila lang the same thing, it will create tulo na mo. And then, tabangan nato sila Gishan o si atila lang makuha og two brand partners each.
Mm.
1, 2,
Ah,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na mo. Nya makuha na sa kag bag-o nga usa. Tabangan na sad nato. Mo 8 na mo 9 hangtod mo 10 to. Nana mo group sa bukid nun.
yeah.
Hinahinay lang ta, dili ta magdali mapandol ta.
Malubong na.
Malubong ta. So okay ba? Okay ba so
Yeah.
far?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So how do you feel about our training now? Manata? First call ta kanang
Yay! Na-late na ka, sir, ay.
okay ra kay na-cancel man ang meeting. So okay ra.
Ay, perfect.
Yes,
Okay na
perfect.
kayo.
So
Nalipay ko.